Ever wondered how to extract text from images in seconds? Meet EasyOCR, a ready-to-use optical character recognition tool supporting 80+ languages and a wide range of writing systems, including Latin, Chinese, Arabic, Devanagari, Cyrillic, and many more. In this video, we'll take a closer look at EasyOCR and see how you can quickly extract text from images with just a few lines of Python. I'll walk you through the installation, basic setup, and text recognition process, so you can start using EasyOCR in your own projects. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. So, let's get started and see what EasyOCR can do. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of EasyOCR. You can read all its documentation and how to use from here. Good thing there is Hugging Face space demo of EasyOCR. You can try it before using. To install locally, you need at least 3 GB graphic card. It can work on CPU, but result will take some time. Cudatoolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, VisualStudio Ffmpeg. Git for Windows. I have made a playlist on installing these dependencies. You can watch and install them. Once you're ready, on Hugging Face space page, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Local Run option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone EasyOCR. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install PyTorch. First, make sure Cudatoolkit is installed and what version it is. Mine is 11.8. I will install 11.8. Go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your Cuda version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change Cuda version to yours. For example, 118 is for 11.8 and 128 is for 12.8, and also add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove Torch and Torch Vision from list and add spaces in Gradio, then save requirements file. Now run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run this code. I will put in my description. Also run these 2 set codes from my description. Now run main code. This will download models running it first time. Once you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch EasyOCR. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use EasyOCR anytime. To use, just upload picture, document, PDF. Click Submit. This take only few seconds to give you result. This tool cover more than 80 languages. And that's it for this EasyOCR tutorial. As you can see, getting started with EasyOCR is simple, and you can use it to extract text from images with just a few lines of Python. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!